How to use browser extensions to speed up your online arbitrage research. Want to speed up your product research and find winning online arbitrage deals faster? Let me show you how browser extensions do all the heavy lifting. Instead of opening 10 tabs and manually checking prices, profit, and fees, browser extensions help you see everything in one click, right on the product page. Here are some extensions that I use every time I source. Rev ROI. Right-click to find coupon codes and cashback offers. SAS or Seller Amp. Instantly see profit, ROI, competition, and restrictions. Keepa. Check price history without leaving Amazon. Asin Gadget. Pull up important product info on their respective Amazon detail page. When I am searching an item on Amazon, Asin Gadget tells me when that thing is meltable, restricted, or hazmat. These tools help you make decisions fast. No more guessing. The faster you analyze a deal, the more leads you can go through. And with extensions doing the math, you avoid bad buys and jump on profitable ones quicker. Want to learn how to use all these tools step by step? The OA challenge shows you exactly how pros find, analyze, and flip products daily. Even if you are just starting out. Click the link in the description below to join the OA challenge and start mastering online arbitrage the smart way.